sageru. Sageru is mean lower or to reduce. As you know that the kanji of sageru is mean to put something down or the down direction. So anything we use this kanji is mean put something down. So in here we also use with to make something lower or reduce. And in here we have the sentence like Buka o sagemasu. Buka o sagemasu, which means bring down the price. Buka is mean the price, and sagemasu is mean bring down or reduce the price. Buka is mean the price of everything. For example, about the food, about the thing that you use in daily. For example, motorbike, right, or vehicle, or TV. Anything about the thing that you use in every day, they can call to be like buka. So buka is represent for anything. And in here buka o sagemasu is mean the price of everything to get down. So buka o sagemasu is mean bring down the price.